Hi there, Mike Mancini with ppcvideotraining.com. Today we are going to be talking about how to give somebody access to your Google AdWords account, such as another individual or an agency that might be managing and running your AdWords campaigns for you. Stay tuned. All right, so when you're logged into your AdWords account, up in the upper left-hand corner, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. If they request your ID, your customer ID, go ahead and give that to them. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see your name and a customer ID, and you can copy that 10-digit number and give that to them. What will happen is once they will plug that into their software, they have to request and get access approved from you. Once they request that access, you can go up here to the wrench. You can click on Account Access, and there will be a notification down here at the bottom. You might have to click on Managers here. There will be a notification under Manager, and it will say requesting access, and you can approve it like that. Now, another way to do it is to go ahead and just give them access right away. Now, you can go up to the wrench icon in the upper right-hand corner, click that, click on Account Access again. Right here on the blue plus sign, click on that. Now, we'll ask you the access level that you want to give. There are 4 different levels. One is email only, read only, standard, and admin. Email is exactly what it sounds like. That individual or agency will only be able to receive notification emails and reports. Read only means that they can browse through the campaign and take a look at what's going on, go into the settings, and they can take a look at what's going on in your account, but they are not be able to change anything. Now, if you're doing an AdWords audit, this is the setting that you will want to set someone up on. Standard means they can go in, they can receive notification emails and reports, they can sign in, they can browse the campaigns, they can change any part of the account campaign or its settings. Now, this is typically the access that you would give to an agency. Then there's administrative. Now, the only difference between administrative and standard is administrative, you can give others the account access, you can change access levels, you can cancel or reject manager account requests, so you can kind of control the whole thing. But typically, if you're going to have somebody running your campaigns for you, you would either give them a standard access, or if you don't want them changing anything, you could give them a read-only access. So once you select your access here, click on standard, let's just say, enter their email address in here and click on send invitation. A notification will be sent to them, and they will have to go through an approval process where they have to answer a few questions, and that's it. That's how you give someone access to your Google AdWords account. Hope that helps. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to our channel, or share our video with someone else who might find it interesting. Or if you know someone who's needing help of PPC or Google AdWords services, please forward our information to them. We'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching.